A workshop to promote international collaboration in emerging technologies is underway in Xiamen, East China's Fujian province. The 2023 BRICS Excellence Training Workshop on New Industrial Revolution Technology and Governance, which opened on Wednesday, drew government officials, experts, and entrepreneurs from 22 countries with courses covering the digital economy, artificial intelligence, digital security, and emerging technologies. During the 28-day workshop, lectures, seminars, and on-site visits to companies in major Chinese cities will be held to strengthen cooperation between BRICS countries, emerging markets, and developing countries so that emerging digital technologies can benefit people of all countries and provide new momentum for South-South cooperation.
It's a good opportunity to learn how BRICS is support the different governments like El Salvador, because actually we are in the digital process of transformation of our economy. So all the lessons, all the experience for digital economy is very important for us.
And I hope this training to have experience and to know for the new technology from China, and hope to improve my skill.
The workshop is hosted by the BRICS Partnership on New Industrial Revolution Innovation Center. Xiamen, the host city of the 9th BRICS Summit in 2017, launched the center in December 2020.